Welcome everybody. Today we are apartment hunting. In addition to our previous videos where we saw some amazing apartments, we are looking at places between $500 and $1,000 in New York City. So let's get started. So our first one, wow, this has been posted for more than a year, 492 days. All right, let's see why. All right, more than a year, that's a long time. So this is a nice front area, Alpha Towers. All right, get some nice pictures here, get a kitchen, and only 6 images, so that's not a lot. All right, so bedroom looks like a good size. And then this must be the back area, and this is the back. All right, so only 2 photos of the interior and 4 photos of the outside. Okay, at least you get 1 bed, 1 bath, so it's like by yourself possibly. Might be in a good neighborhood as well. All right, so it is pretty close to some places, I believe, or there could be some issues internally that are not shown on the pictures. That's why it's been posted for more than a year. All right, so let's check out our next one. Oh, and the price for the previous one was $640. So, all right, comparing to $900. This is a studio, and wow, we get 3 photos here. This was only posted 22 days ago, I believe. All right, so nice kitchen area. Got some ventilation up here, some windows and all that. So bedroom and washroom. All right, so looks pretty good. Possibly doesn't really look like you might get in-unit laundry, but you know, at $900 a month, probably not. So bike score and a walk score. So next we have this for 36 days ago. This is $1,000 a month. Studio 1 bath. So it looks like the kitchen. Okay, oh, so we do get some more photos. All right, let's take a look at this. So nice kitchen here, cabinetry. So you got your fridge, and I actually like how the fridge is inside the wall. There's a space for it. That's nice. All right, your sink. All right, so we got possibly some extra space here. Possibly living or dining space. Washroom, nice, very nice. Oh, wrote somebody in the closet. All right, nice mirror. All right, very nice. So this is most likely like the studio space. All right, very, very nice. Okay, for $1,000 in New York City. So, you know, also depending on your location, undisclosed address. All right, okay. So we might not be able to get a good neighborhood score, but East New York. Okay. All right, not bad then. This one. So this, 5 days ago. It was only posted 5 days ago, and it is on Staten Island. So this is also a studio, and you get 0 pictures of the actual house or the interior. Okay. So this is possibly the house right here, but no pictures of the inside. Comment below which one you think is best. Probably gonna be between $900 and $1,000. This kind of looks like what you're gonna get in this price range. There was this one right here, which was posted 2 days ago, 1 bed, 1 bath. Let's check this out really quick. All right, oh, so doesn't look like a lot of pictures as well, but you get the outside, you also get this kitchen area, bathroom, and your living space. So 1 bedroom. All right, so this is probably the bedroom right here, and then the dining room will probably be very close to the kitchen. So $795 a month. That is not too bad, I guess. You do have it all to yourself, so that's nice. Walk score, transit score, and bike score. Okay, so combining all of that details, all of these details, which one do you think is quite nice? And this is kind of what you get in these areas. All right, see you guys in the next video.